Winter Storm Stella was the best wave-producing storm that we've had in quite some time. The only thing that's comparable really was the doomsday swell. There was just so much raw energy in the ocean. It was beautiful to see. The waves were phenomenal, and we had about 3 hours of surf with 6 people in the lineup or less. I mean, everywhere you look, there was perfect waves coming through, and just big teepees and just everything you could ask for in a good winter swell or a good swell period. We surfed in New Jersey on the Tuesday, and it was awesome. And then we chased it, and we got even, I don't know if it was better, but it was just as good the next day. It's pure bliss. There's just, nothing like feeling the cold. You get flushed and it wakes you up, and the next thing you know, you're sweating. It's the best feeling in the world to partake in the ocean when it's raw like that.